Hi everyone, here's Frank here again. This video is I'm going to talk about the glutathione. What is glutathione? You may or may not have heard of glutathione. However, I'm sorry about reading, but it's better to read instead of to talk, but I'm talking. Alright, but it's maybe you can trust me if I'm reading from the origin doctor books about glutathione. I'm not a doctor, I'm not a health expert, but I learned about glutathione and about the human immune system a lot. I'm going to talk about all this information in the next 100 videos. The next one, what is glutathione? You may or may not have heard about of glutathione. However, researchers and scientists continue to discover the importance of this substance in health and disease, and in the next few years, its name will become as well known as terms like cholesterol or vitamin. Your life depends on glutathione. Without it, your liver would shrivel up and die from the overwhelming accumulation of toxins. Your cells would disintegrate from unrestrained oxidative stress, and as if you needed more problems, your body would have little resistance to bacteria, viruses, or cancers. So many protective systems of the body, including its use of vitamins C, E, depend heavily upon this remarkable molecule. The importance of glutathione. Glutathione's importance to your health cannot be overstated. Your immune system is constantly on the prowl for pathogens, agents of cellular damage, toxicity, and disease. To neutralize them, the body needs a ready supply of glutathione. If it doesn't have enough, some of the invaders will get through, infecting the body and or contributing to aging, long-term accumulative damage, even eventual cancer. We can't avoid illness and aging altogether. Tough, a few scientists are pursuing the age-old dream of immortality, but by keeping our intracellular glutathione levels up, we also keep our immune system on the ball and fully armed. GSH is a fundamental to immune response. Research on glutathione. In the last 20 years, the volume of research into GSH has grown immensely. A huge variety of theoretical papers, benchtop laboratory experiments, epidemiological studies, animal projects, and most importantly, clinical trials of humans has linked glutathione to an extraordinary variety of illnesses. The list is long and would be hard to believe were it not for the strength and credibility of the research. However, it is now clear that glutathione's role in the immune response, detoxification, and antioxidation is pivotal. Without it, many bodily processes would fail. All the information in this book is derived from the scientific reports listed at the end of each chapter. Hundreds of articles have described how elevated glutathione levels have combat the infirmities of aging, such as Parkinson's disease, Alzheimer's disease, cataract formation, macular degeneration, and cancer of aging, prostate cancer, for example. You will find references to all these subjects listed in the index. GSH is also known to play a crucial role in the cardiovascular system, helping prevent heart disease, stroke, atherosclerosis, and reperfusion injury. In an ideal situation where the patient is exercising, eating properly, avoiding tobacco, and maintaining a good general lifestyle, rising glutathione levels can actually help reverse atherosclerosis, see chapter 9. In the digestive system, glutathione helps the body fight inflammatory bowel disease, hepatitis, malnutrition, pancreatitis, and peptic ulcer. Its antioxidant properties and its role in maintaining the immune response have led to interesting strategies against these all too common problems. Overdosing of certain drugs has been treated for some time with a variety of GSH enhancing drugs that have become a mainstay in critical care medicine. However, only recently has it been recognized that the GSH is a powerful detoxifier of many other nasty substances, including those released from cigarette smoke and auto exhaust. Such pollution and heavy metals and pesticides and many well-known carcinogens. Believe it or not, the evidence shows that GSH even helps prevent hearing loss from noise pollution. In infectious disease and immunology, glutathione's antiviral properties help the body fight AIDS, hepatitis, herpes, and the common cold. Its role in combating bacterial infection has also been clearly described. Although rise the GSH levels and do not affect a cure, they elevate and sustain our natural immune response, providing reinforcement to deal with the threats at hand and minimizing damage. GSH also has potential application against some autoimmune dysfunction, chronic fatigue syndrome, and states of immune suppression. The immune system is on constant alert against the threat of cancer. Glutathione helps prevent carcinogenesis and the transformation of normal cells into cancer cells. By eliminating carcinogens and mutagens from the body and by slowing down oxidative damage to the DNA and other sensitive structures within the cell. In cases of diagnosed cancer, glutathione has been shown to suppress tumor growth, prevent the wasting disease associated with advanced cancer, and ease the side effects of chemotherapy and radiotherapy. In pulmonary or respiratory medicine, rising glutathione levels have been used for many years in Europe and now increasingly in North America. Glutathione can break up mucus, especially in cystic fibrosis, reduce the danger of asthmatic attacks, aid in both acute and chronic bronchitis, and fight emphysema and pulmonary fibrosis. All these mechanisms are described in the chapter 14. We have also included chapter on glutathione's many metabolic functions, including its role in complication of diabetes, reduction of cholesterol, and oxidation of bad cholesterol, LDL, and its support of red blood cell levels in patients suffering from kidney failure. Finally, we present research emphasizing the importance of glutathione in the healthy individual. For the physically active, GSH enhance athletic performance, decrease recovery time from physical stress and aids in immune function. For the average person, its role in health maintenance just can't be overestimated. Glutathione modulation is an essential part of staying young, active, and healthy. In this book, on antioxidants, what you should know about the super antioxidant miracle, Dr. E. Midler states, we literally cannot survive without this miraculous antioxidant. Dr. John T. Pinto of the Sloan Kettering Cancer Center in New York proclaims, it is the master antioxidant. Jeep Carper, in her book Stop Aging Now, claims you must get your levels of glutathione up if you want to keep your youth and live longer. High levels of GSH predict good health and long life. Low levels predict early disease and death. Closer to the raw science of glutathione, Dr. Gustavo Buonos, a researcher and leading authority on the GSH and nutrition at McGill University in Montreal, says, in a few of existing scientific data, all we can accept from the environment in continued pollution, ozone depletion, and the increased virulence of infection, I think that enhancing glutathione levels will allow for a better quality of life. You don't have to be a scientist to understand that a society progress will become increasingly dependent upon technology and have to live with its many unhealthy byproducts. Not all of them are as tangible as toxic waste. There is the stress and hurry of modern life. Few of us take the time to listen closely to our bodies' demands to eat and increase accordingly, nor even to rest after we might need. We are driven by focus and sometimes leave us numb to our spiritual and physical needs. I can talk about glutathione a little bit more, but you can ask me more in the email. Just ask me info@ferencbujdoshow.com ferencbujdoshow.com ferencbujdos.com. See me in the next video where I'm going to talk about immune system and the glutathione. See you in the next video.